What are composition types when it comes to music? If you are a musician just starting out, learning how to distribute your music, you're coming across all of these terms that you do not understand, and I'm here to help you understand them. So, music composition type. There are 4 major types of compositions that you might be distributing. Number 1 is original composition. Original composition is what it sounds like. You wrote it, you sing it, it's yours. Original composition, you owned all of the rights to it. Number 2 is cover songs. So if another artist owns the rights to the song and you want to release a version of it, you can do that. You just have to get a cover song license. Number 3 is derivative composition, and that's kind of an interesting term, but basically it means you kind of wrote it, but you borrowed things from other people. You hear this a lot on modern radio. You have a new song that you're listening to, and then all of a sudden you hear a tune that you know you've heard before. They're using lyrics or little pieces of a different song that was a hit like in the 90s, or sometimes there's even songs that have hits from before. An example of this is Jake Owen's song, I Was Jack, You Were Diane. This is inspired by the John Mellencamp song, Jack and Diane. I love that song by John Mellencamp. My mom is a huge John Mellencamp fan, and so I feel like we were always listening to that Jack and Diane song in the car, and my mom's name is Diane, which is probably why she loves it so much. But I was kind of surprised when I heard little bits of Jack and Diane in a new song on the radio by Jake Owen. And so that is an example of a derivative composition. It's inspired by a song that already exists that isn't in public domain. The last composition type is public domain. If a song is public domain, it means anyone can use it and you don't have to pay the original writer who wrote the song because it's just in public domain. Usually that means someone has either submitted their work as available for public domain or it has just timed out over the years. Generally, if a song was written before 1923, it's going to be public domain.